Ali, Adriana, that's enough.
How long you can watch TV? You sit in front of the screen all the day. Okay.
You are.
Oh, magical remote? Huh. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Wasting your time.
Watch this.
Ali, Adriana.
Go.
Let's change your voice to an alien.
Okay, everybody go to the
Huh. Can I rewind time forward? Let's try.
Go.
Oh my goodness.
I'm tired. I'm probably getting old. Ali, Adriana, go to do all your homework. Go. Okay.
Adriana, our parents really became old. Really. Look. We should look after them. But how?
1 hour later.
He wants to sleep.
But that's okay. Where is my mom? Huh? Oh. What happened?
Oh, my teeth.
Huh? Carrot? Oh, you need to eat it in another way. Okay, wait. Blender! I need to blend the carrots. Here you go, your carrot puree. Oh.
Thank you, Ali.
No problem. You can't see?
No,
You need your glasses.
I lost my glasses.
Lost your glasses. They're right here.
Oh, my glasses. Thank you, Ali. Is your video?
Uh-huh. Oh, remote controller.
Ali!
Adriana.
Help!
Adriana, we need to change their ages now. Come sit. Turn back time. It's back to normal now. Go to your homework. Let's go do our homework. Let's go.
Let's go. I need work.
Who did it? What? Oh, donut. You did it.
Adriana, run.
I will catch you. I catch you. Run!
Stop. Donut.
Donut? Huh? No donut. Stop! I catch you. Guys, don't throw trash on the ground.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Keep our planet clean. Yes. Now you see? I am coming. I am coming. Huh? Ma'am, baby can't sleep. Okay, I'm coming. Huh? Madam? Neighbors? A lot of sound? Okay, I coming. Police, open the door. Open the door.
Adriana, somebody's at the door. Huh? Police? Police?
Turn off the sound.
What?
Turn off the sound. Turn off the sound. Stop! Turn off the sound.
Oh, turn off the sound. Okay.
Your neighbors are complaining.
Sorry, please.
Respect your neighbors.
Oh, okay. We won't listen to music that loud.
Clever child. Bye-bye. I am ready to go. Huh? Ali!
Hi, Dad.
Ali! My car is not place for poo.
Okay, Dad.
Come on, Ali, come on. how he did it. Ali? Ali, pool at balcony is not place for homework. Ali, good morning. Wake up, wake up. Let's go to school. That is not place for pool. Really? Ali, kitchen is not place for pool.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Guys, don't write the card. Okay. Guys, sweets are not healthy.
Okay, let's go get some fruits. Again, kefir is very healthy. Oh, fruits and vegetables.
Guys, don't touch food with your hands.
You need to use gloves.
Ah, yes. Banana.
Cool. Okay.
Cheese. Yummy, yummy. I want this. 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 This is better. And this is better. Mine. Mine. No mine. No mine. Mine. No mine. 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 No mine.
Stop! Don't shout in the store.
Okay.
Ali, what do you want?
I want this.
Tatiana, what do you want? Okay.
Oops.
Kids can't drive car.
No. Adriana?
Ah.
Ali?
Okay.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. We want breakfast.
Yes, I will do. Breakfast. Oh, milk finish. I need to go shop. Kids, I am go. One is the bedroom.
Good morning, kids. Good morning, good morning. We're hungry and want to eat breakfast. Oh, give me cornflakes. Yes, milk fish. I need to go to the store. Kids, I am going. Your dad is the bedroom. Wait, my dad went to get me, and my mom did also. So wait, we're home alone! Huh? Home alone?
Yeah!
Oh no!
Who is it?
For delivery. Don't open the door to strangers.
Ali, close.
Oh no!
Stop! This is our house. This is our stuff. Why do we need to be afraid of it?
Oh, yes.
Never turn on the oven yourself.
I shouldn't be touching the stove without my father. Ooh. berries. Nice.
Oh, no!
Always turn off the top after eating.
Don't leave the faucet on.
I went to the store. Where were you?
Stay with our kids. They're home.
Alone.
Who is it? Your mom.
You're dead.
What's it? Prove it. Okay. What's my hobby?
Nothing.
What's Adriana's hobby? Horse. Okay, it's mom and dad. Please.
Sorry.
No problem. Let's go to the
Let's breakfast.
Let's do breakfast. Okay.
Oh, no!
What? Adriana, look! Our dad is eating junk food! Dad, stop eating junk food! You have to stop!
No, I will eat it.
It's unhealthy for you!
Go.
Uh-oh. He's still eating junk food! Dad! Stop eating junk food!
No, I will eat. Go.
No!
No, football.
No! No!
Go.
No!
Oh, no! Oh,
Oh, Diana, look what happened with our dad! He's now fat! Uh-oh! Dad! Look, because you ate junk food, you're now fat!
Good. Yes.
I have an idea! We need to make him see himself in the mirror! Yeah! Come.
Go.
Yeah. Baby's crying. Adriana, don't worry. I have a solution.
Okay.
Don't cry. We will help you lose weight. Dad, to lose weight, you have to eat a lot of vegetables. Dad. Spinach coming right, huh?
Okay.
Good job, Dad. Let's keep going. Carrots coming right.
Cool.
Good job, Dad. Wow. More carrots.
I lost weight.
Dad, to be more healthier, you need to eat fruits as well.
Fruit? I don't like fruit.
Huh? You don't like fruits? I have a surprise for you. Ta-da! how tasty these fruits are with this very cool challenge. Wow! Are you ready?
Ready.
Dad, you have to guess every fruit that you drink from these boxes.
Okay, I will try.
Let's start! What is it?
Mango.
Mango? No.
Watermelon.
No.
I don't know.
Dragon fruit.
Oh.
It's tasty, right?
Yeah. Very tasty.
Second one.
This is melon.
Yes, you're right.
Ah.
Third one.
Ooh. Pineapple.
One.
I know this taste. Orange. I like.
Next one.
Oh, very sweet. Watermelon.
Next one.
Coconut. I don't know.
It was papaya.
Papaya. Cool.
It's a new fruit for you.
Yeah.
Papaya.
Oh. Oh, very nice, Timon. Thank you so much.
No problem.
This is grapefruit. Yeah. Yeah. What's in it? Last.
Yes.
Last. Apple. It was very nice challenge. Hoppa. I like it.
Ali. It's time to clean. Okay. Okay. I wish somebody could clean my house.
I will help you. I am here to help you.
Whoa, my dreams came true. Okay.
Oh, teacher. Okay. Done. Done. Done.
What? I need to fix this before Mom sees it. Guys, help your parents with household chores to make them happy and feel proud of you.
But you have your homework.
I can't play with you now. I have homework. If only somebody could do my homework.
I will help you.
Will you help me with my homework?
Yes, I come to help you.
Yeah, let's go! I'm ready to go to school. Good day. Today I got an F on my homework. Guys, homework is very important. It prepares us for our future.
Ali, you need to go to shopping.
Huh? Okay. Shopping. If someone could do this shopping for me.
I am here to help you. Hi. What do you need?
I need shopping.
Oh, it's easy. Bye bye. Well done.
These balls? Soda? Chips? Now well done. Mom, I'm here. I brought milk and cornflakes. Guys, in life there's no magic. You have to do everything on your own. Good morning. I am ready. It's time for racing. Huh? Adriana! Oh, Adriana, what happened?
I applied the slime.
We need to get it off.
Help me, please.
Adriana, don't worry, I will help you. Oh!
Uh-huh. Oh.
Adriana, I got it. Thank you, Ali. No problem, Adriana. I'm going to be late. Yay!
Oh.
Mom, what happened? What happened? Mom, what happened? Fire! What can I do? I will help you extinguish it. All good. Oh, thank you, Ali. I'm going to be late. Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, my car very dirty. Help me, please, Ali.
Okay, I'll help you.
Ali, thank you so much.
Oh no, I'm late!
Huh? Ali, what happened?
Today I have a very important race, and I'm late.
Don't worry, Ali. I will get you there.
Okay, but I forgot my stuff. Oh, thank you. Not at all, Ali. You helped us, and we helped you back. Thank you. Now I have to go. Bye.
My handbag.
Wow!
Nice to meet you. I will make these. Let's start from flour.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Adriana, what's happened?
Okay.
Papa, Daddy, Mommy, Ali, come. Oh, what, Adriana? Let's make another one. Oh, kids, nice
Okay.
idea.